Today, I am reviewing MSI Katana A15 AI gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're searching for a high-performance gaming laptop that won't break the bank, the MSI Katana A15 AI is a machine that deserves your attention. With a combination of AMD Ryzen 7 8845HS CPU, NVIDIA RTX 4060 GPU, 32GB DDR5 RAM, and a 1TB NVMe SSD, this laptop is built to handle gaming, content creation, and multitasking without compromise. Starting with performance, the heart of the Katana A15 AI is its AMD Ryzen 7 8845HS processor. This is an 8-core, 16-thread powerhouse that delivers strong multi-core performance for gaming, streaming, and creative workloads. The processor also comes with AI-powered optimization features, which intelligently adjusts system resources, enhancing both battery efficiency and gaming performance. Whether you're running heavy games or editing videos, the laptop manages tasks smoothly, and it doesn't struggle under pressure. Next, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 GPU brings excellent graphics performance to the table. Powered by NVIDIA's Ada Lovelace architecture, it supports ray tracing for realistic lighting and shadows, while DLSS 3 ensures smooth frame rates even in demanding AAA games. This GPU handles modern titles like Cyberpunk 2077, Elden Ring, and Call of Duty at high settings without noticeable lag, making it ideal for both casual and competitive gamers. Memory and storage are equally impressive. The Katana comes with 32GB of DDR5 RAM running at 5600 MHz, giving you ample memory for heavy multitasking, gaming, and content creation. For storage, the 1TB NVMe SSD offers fast boot times, speedy game loading, and plenty of space for your files and applications. If you need even more power, the laptop supports upgrades up to 64GB RAM and 2TB SSD, future-proofing it for years to come. Now, let's talk about the display. You get a 15.6-inch FHD screen with a 144Hz refresh rate, which is perfect for smooth gameplay. The high refresh rate ensures that fast-paced games like Valorant or Apex Legends are responsive and fluid, while the full HD resolution balances visual quality with performance. Colors are vibrant and the screen is bright enough for most indoor gaming sessions, though it's not a high-end OLED panel, so HDR enthusiasts might notice a difference. Cooling is a crucial factor for gaming laptops, and the MSI Katana A15 AI excels here. Equipped with Cooler Boost 5 technology, the dual fans and multiple heat pipes efficiently dissipate heat, keeping the CPU and GPU temperatures stable even during extended gaming sessions. While the fans can get audible under load, it's a reasonable trade-off for consistent performance. Design and build quality are another highlight. The Katana A15 AI has a sleek black chassis with a backlit keyboard, allowing you to game or work in low-light conditions comfortably. The laptop is also reasonably portable, weighing around 5 pounds, which makes it manageable for students or gamers on the move. Connectivity is excellent. You get Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, HDMI, Ethernet, and multiple USB ports, so connecting peripherals like monitors, keyboards, and external drives is straightforward. The laptop also supports up to 3 external displays, which is ideal for multitasking or streaming setups. Battery life is what you would expect from a gaming laptop. The 52Wh battery can last a few hours with light usage, like browsing or watching videos. For heavy gaming, you'll need to plug in to get maximum performance. Still, the AI optimization helps extend battery life when you're not gaming. Now, let's touch on some minor points. The display is limited to Full HD, which is fine for gaming but may not satisfy creative professionals looking for ultra-high-resolution screens. Also, while the RTX 4060 handles most games exceptionally well, if you want ultra settings on QHD or 4K, you might consider the higher RTX 4070 option. In conclusion, the MSI Katana A15 AI 15.6-inch gaming laptop is a well-rounded, powerful, and future-proof laptop. With AI-enhanced Ryzen 7 processing, RTX 4060 graphics, massive DDR5 RAM, fast 1TB SSD, excellent cooling, and a smooth 144Hz display, it delivers incredible value at around $1,199. For gamers, students, and creators looking for high performance at a reasonable price, this laptop is hard to beat. It's perfect for gaming, streaming, content creation, and everyday productivity. If you're ready to invest in a laptop that offers power, speed, and reliability, the MSI Katana A15 AI is definitely worth considering.